The army organized a 400-kilometer Jazba-e-Tiranga relay marathon will be organized in which state/union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. Who authored the book titled Operation Trojan Horse, a novel inspired by true events? Abhishek Sharan. World Humanitarian Day is observed every year on which date? August 19th. Which state released 8 postal covers on the state's art, craft and culture? Tamil Nadu. Who has penned down a book titled Lahore Book 1 of the Partition Trilogy? Manraj Sodhi. India Ratings and Research has revised India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 22 to what amount? 9.4%. What is the rank of India in terms of crypto adoption internationally? One hundredth. The 2021 edition of the World Athletics Under-20 Championships has been started in which country? Kenya. Who authored the book titled Operation Kukri? Rajpal Punia. The largest hockey stadium in the country will be constructed in which state? Odisha. Akshay Urja Divas Renewable Energy Day is held every year on which date? August 20. India has signed a $500 million loans agreement with which bank to expand the metro rail network in Bengaluru? ADB. Faridabad Smart City Limited has roped in which comic hero to help promote its initiatives on social media? Chacha Chaudhary. Which bank has launched a new cybersecurity multi-donor trust fund? World Bank. The Center for Research and Innovation in Artificial Intelligence has set up at which IIT? IIT Hyderabad.